guys, on this nice crisp day, we'll show you what's going on. Now the Galaxy, excuse me, the Galaxy we haven't done too much to. We're going to get back on this within the next week or so. That's good. So we're focusing a little bit more on the 67 Ford pickup here because it is ready for paint. Very, very close, I should say. So we got everything fitted together. Doors, Chris and I did this. We got the doors on. Chris got the fenders on. We lined up the hood the other day. So now the hood has to come back off because on the underside of the hood it still has to be painted. So, and then you can see the guide coat still on it, and the hood has to be blocked and prepped in 600. The cab itself and fenders are in 600. The doors are in 400. So it is getting very, very close to being done. And it is running, driving, and moving on its own again, which is good. So that's what's going on there with that. Guess what? The 53 Chevy panel is going down for exhaust today. Yes, it is. That means that it runs, and we'll show you later it running. Now, we'll get in here, and as you can see, the Mercury crew cab. This is the box. Mike has finished up all the welding from top to bottom. There was a lot of welding there. Holy God. And Sean has began the bodywork, as you can see on the front panel there. Now we're going to do all the bodywork on the front panel inside. We're going to do it across the wheel tops, across the sides here, on this portion of the floor. But on this portion here, this floor is pretty dented, wavy. We're just going to leave it. The customer's going to put a rubber mat in because in order to fix that, first off, you really can't. You don't want to be bondoing up a floor. And second, you'd have to buy a whole new floor for it. This floor is rust-free. He's happy with that. Leave it alone. It's original. A couple minor little waves like this going on. Hey, gives the vehicle a little character. You know what I mean? So that is going on today. I don't remember it had that big, huge dent there. That's all out. Everything got welded that should be welded. And the Camaro, the 67. Got her all sanded down and we got her in primer. Owner's going to be taking her home. I got a few things to do still. Now we got to seam seal all the edges and spray the underneath in Raptor. But there it is. She's all in primer. It's been a while since you've seen it. It's looking really good. Hopefully he does continue with this car because as much as this car was in really rough shape, everything has been replaced on it now. So it's a good, solid beast. It's a good start. A really good start for someone now. That's what's going on there. And we'll come out here. Oh, and some Volkswagen parts, obviously the hood for the Volkswagen and stuff like that. This is more just a little shop update video for you guys today. There's the 67 Ford short box. That's for the one I showed you back there. That one there has got to be all blocked and ready for paint. It's nowhere. It's in lost primer, but nothing's been done to it. So we still got to get that done too. And of course, y'all remember the 53 Chevy with the LS 6-liter. We had it all tuned. We had our guy Bob come out here. He tuned it all. He's been doing it for, I don't know, 30, 40 years, I think. He's got this thing tuned so it'll be really good on gas, and it's pushing between 375 and 400 horse. Very nice. Very nice. So, yeah, we're going to get exhaust today, and from there it's going to go get a wheel alignment because we changed the coils out in it. Then we're going to take it for a couple drives a little bit, and hopefully the owner can take her home on Friday. Now, what do we got going on over here? T-Bucket. Still here, of course. It's going home tomorrow, Thursday. My Model A, of course, sitting there. And we brought the bug back in. Starting to do some more work to the bug. There's a few spots that have to be still welded. We had done the major welding on the bug, but now we've got a few other things that are getting done. Mike's working on that. So that is what is going on today in this shop. So, getting mighty close to Christmas, folks. I don't know, Sunday Fun Day's coming up here. It's this Sunday. Then the next one falls on Boxing Day. And I got family over. But I might be able to just sneak away. We'll try. But anyway, good little shop update for you there. Thanks for watching. Thanks for subscribing. And there will be a video of the LS 53 panel coming up soon. See you later.